You getting this, Mo?
Alva's family vlog, recording your best score yet.
Yay, everyone, look! I finally finished level 1!
Great job!
Oh, it says to unlock level 2, I need to purchase special electro-bopping beads. Mom, Dad, can I buy them? Please?
Well, you need to think about it, Alva. What was a free game is now asking you to spend some of your pocket money to keep playing. Have a little think about what you really want to spend your pocket money on.
What about the keep safe box you were saving up for?
Maybe my friends in Gizmo might help me decide. Mo, go, Gizmo! What's going on?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. You're just in time. Mayor Garth is being presented with a new mayoral chain.
It's a gift from the Exalted Chainmakers. They say they made it in their fancy workshop on Gizmo Street.
Wow!
This chain is to honor how awesome Mayor Garth is.
I do look awesome, don't I?
You know what? You could look even more awesome by adding extra bling-a-ling to your chain.
Wow!
Oh, yes, please. Oh.
Now the chain was free, but the special bubbles, well, they cost a Gizpo each. 19, 20 and 1.
Wow! I love your new chain, Mayor Garth. It's fabulous.
Thanks, Alva. But what if it was even more fabulous? By adding 1 or 2 special bubbles. They're only 1 Gizbit each.
But aren't those Gizbits used to pay all the oolies who help run the town?
Yes, but look, there's plenty. Oh, I really should get something to keep them in.
Well, Mayor Garth, have you made a decision?
Ooh, yes. I'd like to buy 1, maybe 2.
Excellent. No one but the mayor is allowed to see our special bubble attaching technique. It's a secret, see?
Wow, those bubbles look awesome.
Oh, I know. I bought a few extra.
Did you spend all the town's Gizbits on bubbles?
Yes. Aren't they impressive? Look at this purple one. It's next level bling-a-ling.
I think that one's faulty.
Oh.
May I suggest bringing it back to the Chainmaker's workshop to ask for a replacement?
Good thinking, Mo. Let's go, Oolies.
Oh, you 3. Alva just went to your shop.
Let me guess, a faulty bubble, right?
These things happen.
Yeah, that's why we thought we'd offer an oolie of your exquisite taste even better, more next-level bling-a-ling.
But I'm out of Gizbits.
Yeah, Gizbits aren't the only way to pay for something.
Oh, how delightful.
Yes! No! Take it down now! I look ridiculous. It's so uncool.
No one will see it apart from us, Nessa. It's on the family vlog.
Well, I can see it. Take it down. Okay. What's with the green eyebrows, sis?
Ah, these bad boys. I wondered when you'd notice. Now, these are cool.
If you say so, love.
The famous Swaymaker Lucky Pug is rocking them.
Swaymaker?
So much to learn. They're online experts who tell you what the next big thing is going to be. Come on, let me color yours.
Can I, Mom?
Okay.
Now, hold still. Done.
Whoa!
See? Cool. No need to thank me.
Do I really look cool? I don't know if this Swaymaker is right. Mo, go, Gizmo!
Hi, Alva. What do you think? Apparently, all the mares dress like this now.
Oh, right. Well, do you like it?
You look amazing! I have a green nose of my own at home.
You look like an emperor.
Totes Marilicious.
Oh, yeah, totes. Whatever they said.
Well, I guess you know more than me.
Exactly. No need for these now. You make sure nothing happens to this bin, Glumph.
These clothes makers are an awful lot like Swaymakers.
Mayor Garth, your gizmering ceremony?
Oh, of course. Well, thank you for your kind work. It's time to go. Bye.
Happy gizmayering.
Have fun.
Oh, yeah, like that's going to happen.
Mayor Garth? Is that you?
Doesn't he look great?
Oh, it's totally, styling.
I really liked your old clothes.
Well, now they're in a bin in the Ooly La La shop. There's no going back.
Mo, why do all the Blobbos like such a crazy outfit?
If the Blobbos think Mayor Garth is happy, then they are happy.
But is Mayor Garth happy? I think these Swaymakers are swaying the Blobbos.
Oh.
So exciting!
We could always do it tomorrow, Mayor Garth.
Oh, an Ooly mare never breaks with tradition.
Okay, Mayor. Ready when you are.
Oh my.
Mayor Garth!
What? It was my new robe.
Affirmative. I detect it is part of the design.
Okay, let's try again.
I'm not sure about this.
Oh, Mayor Garth. We can't gizmare you with your chain of office if you're not happy.
I'm not. That's it. I've had enough. I don't like these clothes.
He looks like a giant pea. No, Mayor. No gizmayering ceremony. What mischief?
A brilliant plan, Skather.
Of course! Trolls!
It seems Troll Glump is still sitting on the bin guarding the mayor's clothes.
Mo, can you create a diversion so I can get the mayor's clothes back?
Affirmative, Alva.
Gripeweed gruel? How did that get there?
Who cares? Mischief makes me hungry. Oh, gripeweed gruel.
Me first.
Get out of my way! Move! Out of my way! It's mine! It's over!
Thanks, Mo. Let's get out of here.
Where did it go?
Glumph, you left the bin unguarded.
Please come out, Mayor Garth. I have your old clothes.
But that's the problem. People will think I'm unstyling.
It doesn't matter what other people think, Mayor Garth. It's what you think that truly matters. I know just how you feel. I don't like these green eyebrows. I want my old ones back.
I'm getting the stage ready for Wiggle Wham.
Wiggle what now?
I would deduce it has something to do with wiggling.
Indeed it does. Wiggle Wham is an oolerific contest where everyone shows off their latest dance moves while making a funny face.
Alva, this contest would be perfect for your dad.
It sure would.
Would you like to be judges along with me?
Oh, that sounds like fun.
I, for one, would be honored.
Thanks, you two. The best thing is, even though there's a winner, everyone gets a prize just for taking part and having fun. Here are 2 contestants now. The first task for us judges is to make sure a contestant has both a wiggle and makes a funny face.
We're here to wiggle.
And our wiggles are going to win.
Well, according to Mayor Garth, it's all about having fun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That was something else.
I don't know what to say.
Get your funny face mask here. Get your funny face mask.
Ooh,
You look like an oldie that would have fun with a funny face mask.
What kind of fun?
The best fun ever. I'll show you. Hey, you! You got a face like a squish pandini.
A squished pandini? That's hilarious.
See, wearing this mask allows you to be as cheeky as you like, and no one will know it's you.
why would I say a mean thing to someone?
Because they'll think it's really funny. You saw how that complete stranger reacted, right?
So funny.
Come on, give it a go. Remember, no one will know it's you.
You look like a slimy flub. You're a silly snoodle.
Slimy flub? Silly snoodle? They sound funny.
Not if you're an oolie. To us, it's just plain rude.
Sorry, I didn't know. It doesn't feel good to be called rude names.
Let's go inside and wait for Pom.
What a great idea of mine, to give that silly oolie a mask and get her to be rude to other oolies.
It's so funny to watch.
Pom should be here soon. The masked meanie? Called you what? I am so sorry. No, I don't know why they're being so naughty. This masked meanie is upsetting every oolie in town. We need to find them and ask them to please stop causing mischief.
But where do we start looking for someone we don't know?
Did you notice that the mask looked a bit like a troll's face?
Let's go and find out if one of the trolls is the mysterious masked meanie. Where were you at precisely 1 minute past the oolie hour this morning?
On the plaza!
Aha!
And did you notice anyone unusual?
You mean like someone wearing a mask?
Aha!
Was it one of you?
Aha! Aha! Aha!
It couldn't be one of us because the masked meanie is standing right behind you.
You're a bunch of wonky willows.
Oh, well, that masked meanie could be absolutely anyone in Gizmo. How will we ever find out who it is?
By following their trail. Looks like the masked meanie stopped here.
They must have bought a bag of nutberries.
Aha!
What is it, Oolie Bean?
Nothing. I just really like saying aha!
Come see.
The rest of the nutberry shells are in the compost bin. I wonder if they belong to the masked meanie.
Weren't the Blobos scheduled to do funny faces today?
Allow me to inquire as to what's wrong. Blobby, blob. Oh dear, you're upset about being called names by someone in a mask.
Well, that's the abso-only limit. Where did that masked meanie go next?
I have a suggestion. We all know an Uli that loves puddle jumping, nutberries, and coming to look at her favourite flobbo tree.
Yes, Uli Palm.
Huh? What are you doing here? Where's Uli Palm?
I don't know who you're talking about, you dafty doodle.
You shouldn't call people names.
I'm just having fun.
But the people you're name-calling aren't. Would you like it if someone called you names?
Well, no, but the funny-faced mask seller told me that you can say anything when you hide behind a mask.
But you've upset the whole town, so you need to stop. Now take off that mask and reveal yourself.
But then you'll know it's me.
Who?
Uli Palm. It won't come off. Help! Why won't it come off? I'm so sorry.
It only came off when you said you were sorry.
I was only thinking about the fun I was having and not about how it might hurt everyone's feelings.
Well, I'm glad you're sorry, Uli Palm.
How strange. Where is everybody?
It is quieter than usual.
Maybe they're playing a game.
Quite possibly. We did play Uli yodeling last time we were here.
Yes, great idea, Mo. They'll have to reply if they hear us yodel. Uli, 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 ho, ho!
It's a deal of a lifetime, wouldn't you say?
Totally amazing.
A lifetime supply, Mayor Garth. How pretty would these twinkle stones look in Gizmo Town Hall?
Mayor Garth, I think I heard Alva arrive.
All we're requiring in return is for each of you to shout out your name while simultaneously smelling a blackberry flower. Just to make it all official, according to the troll rules of flim-flams and hoodwinks.
I'm allergic to swapberry dust.
To be clear, this is a blackberry flower, not a swapberry flower.
You have yourselves a deal.
All together, say your names into the plap flower.
Uli Palm.
It worked!
We're Ulis now.
And they're trolls.
Alva's Uli Yodel.
Maybe she can help.
Oh, Alva, you've no idea how glad we are to see you.
They made us smell a flower.
For a card of twinkle stones.
That we don't even want anymore.
Something's not right, Mo. Why are the trolls acting like that?
It would not be the first time a troll has tried to trick someone.
But it's almost like they were happy to see us. Please excuse us for a moment. The best way to avoid being tricked by trolls is to ignore them.
Where has Alva gone?
Let's get out of here, Mo.
When you're in the mayor's body, you can open the mayor's office.
Let's make mischief.
That's a lot of noise coming from Mayor Garth's office.
It does not sound very mayoral.
The weirdest thing just happened.
Huh? Alva, what are you doing here?
Mo and I bumped into the trolls. They're behaving really strangely.
Yes, the trolls. She doesn't know. Don't believe a thing they say. It's just their latest cunning trick, no doubt. Now, run along. I got lots of Mary-type things I gotta do. This is Uli-only business.
But I wasn't finished telling...
Goodbye.
They're wrecking the office. Something's definitely off. Let's go look for those trolls. Maybe they can explain why everyone is acting so strangely.
Still no sign of Alva. She could be anywhere in Gizmo by now.
Wait, I have an idea. Didn't Alva Uli yodel to find us earlier?
Yes! Let's Uli yodel to find her.
Uli, 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 ho, ho!
But what if she runs away again?
Let's hide, just in case.
I think I've figured out what's been happening, Mo. It's okay, you guys. You can come out now. Pom, Mayor Garth, and Bean. I'd recognize those Uli yodels anywhere.
Oh, Alva, yes! It's me, Pom.
What happened, Pom? There's 3 Uli lookalikes wrecking the mayor's office.
The trolls tricked us with a swapberry flower in a purple and orange pot.
This is Alva's family vlog. It's raining outside, so we're playing Mega Dance Mayhem.
Dad is the current Mega Dance Mayhem Master Mover.
Oh, yes.
But not for long.
Requested weather alert. It will stop raining and the sun will come out in 1.5 minutes.
I guess we better take the fun outside while we can.
Aw, just 5 minutes more, Dad, please.
Well...
We're having so much fun.
True. However, the game will always be there. You need to decide what you want to do, Alva. In or out?
Huh? I know who might like to play video games with me. Mo, go Gizmo! It's raining in Gizmo too.
Indeed, but the Giz meteorological forecast is for the clouds to part just about now.
Yay!
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Oh,
Hi, Ulis.
it stopped raining, so there's a chance we might see a Gizmo.
A Gizpo?
It's a rainbow that's also a slide.
That sounds neat.
But we've never actually seen one yet.
Just regular rainbows.
Well, while we're waiting for a maybe Gizpo, could we play a for real video game?
Okay, but we don't want to miss the Gizmo if it comes.
Don't worry. Mo is great at looking out and giving weather alerts.
A Gizmo?
I'd love to ride one, but I wouldn't love having to queue up for my turn.
But what if every Uli in town was stuck indoors and we had the Gizmo all to ourselves?
Uli Bean. You have so many cool games.
But we've played them all like a gazillion times already. Huh?
G.I.G. calling!
G.I.G.? Is that your name?
Nah, you silly snoodle. G.I.G. is the Game Institute of Gizmo. And we're inviting all you fine Ulis to help us test out a new game.
Oh, wow!
Yeah, but the game will only work today. So you gotta play it now, right now.
Let's have a go!
And I'll absolutely keep a lookout for the Gizpo.
Oh!
Hey!
Restart the game.
Oh, so close.
I wonder what we did wrong.
Gizpo update. There is an actual Gizpo taking shape, and it looks marvelous.
Phooey.
One more try. Gizpo update. The Gizpo is almost complete. The Blobbos are very excited about the Gizpo.
Hey, I can't see.
Oh, out of the way.
Blobbos, don't make me order you back to the Blobbo tree.
Poor Blobbos. All they want to do is spend time with you outside of the Gizpo.
But the game.
We have to finish it.
It's okay, Blobbos. I'll look at the Gizpo with you. Wow! Quick, you all have to see this.
As soon as we win!
But you've waited so long to see one. Mo, can you take a picture of the Gizpo and project it to show them what they're missing?
That's a great idea. Put it where they can't miss it.
Hey, I can't see it. Oh, so pretty.
That looks really fun.
Games are fun, but they're not worth missing a Gizpo for.
Oh, wonderful. That was the most glidey, face-switchy wiggle we've seen all day.
Yay, Pom! Yay, Blobbo!
Next up, we have Uli Bean. Get out of my way.
Citizens of Gizmo, we've uncovered a shocking video of your Mayor Garth.
Shocking!
After you see it, you'll wonder if Mayor Garth is fit to be mayor, let alone a wiggle wham judge.
Shocking!
Is this some troll trick? Just because Mayor Garth wouldn't name you winners before Wiggle Wham even started?
That's a shocking accusation.
Shocking!
Don't worry, everyone. I was okay.
That deserves to be seen again.
Where did the trolls get this?
All Wiggle Whams are in the Gizmo archives. But that bit there was just me walking to the stage before I performed.
So technically not part of Wiggle Wham.
I'm sorry, Mayor Garth. The Wiggle Wham people should have asked for your permission to use that clip of you slipping.
I agree, Alva.
This must feel terrible.
Hey, we want to introduce our new troll wiggle called the Garth. No!
My turn!
Let me go again.
Oh, dear, Alva. I don't know how we're gonna get these two off the stage.
Mo, I think we need to pay a little visit to the archives. Let's go. Excuse me, could you please tell us where the old Wiggle Whams are? Great! There's so many.
Allow me. the one we're looking for.
Okay. Here's Mayor Garth slipping. And here's Mayor Garth doing his wiggle wham. Oh, this is great. Everyone needs to see this.
I'm copying the video now. Shush!
Oh, well, time to go.
Affirmative, Alva.
Bye! Mayor Garth, I've seen your entire wiggle wham video. Can I show it to the crowd?
Okay. If you think it'll help get these trolls off the stage.
It seems you trolls were only interested in embarrassing Mayor Garth and didn't even look at the whole wiggle wham video.
What are you talking about?
Mo, please play the video.
Yes, please do.
Next up, in his very first wiggle wham, Garth.
Yay, Mayor Garth!
That was very impressive.
I suppose you're going to make yourself the winner now.
Shocking! Not at all. Here's my vote for this wiggle wham.
And my vote.
Mine as well.
Now, the town crier will announce the results in the morning. Right now, I think we should all just wiggle and wham. And you trolls are welcome to join in. It might give you something useful to do.
And next time you want to show a video of Mayor Garth, ask permission.
We promise. Not now. Isn't everyone supposed to get a prize?
Hoochberry cups will arrive shortly. Right now, everyone get your wiggle on!
We're great because of all the likes we get.
The trolls are being very rude.
What if my flower patch really is no good, Alva? It needs something noticeable, oolerific even. We need to make it...
The best flower patch in Gizmo. We'll get your likes, Uli Bean. Now it's even prettier. Just you wait and see. A Blobbo is coming.
Hey, Blobbo!
Huh?
Look what we made! It's a face, see? And a gizmelon.
That was our like.
Mine now. Try harder.
Oh, they got that Blobbo's attention by being all big and dazzling.
Of course, when you think of trolls, you think big and dazzling.
How could that Blobbo notice our flower patch with that going on?
If I might suggest, Alva, we could be big and dazzling.
That's it. Forget these little stones. I've some bigger ideas. Let's get loud.
Huh? Whoa! It's not right. It's not right at all. The trolls just keep jumping on every idea we have. Going bigger and dazzlinger and surprisinger.
I agree with Uli Bean. This isn't right at all.
Indeed, Alva. By my calculations, the trolls are currently 24.7% more surprisinger.
No, Mo. I just mean it's no fun. And look at poor Uli Bean. He's not happy, and he looks all frowny.
Maybe it did need a cake, Alva. No, that's not right either.
Wait, Uli Bean. This isn't making us happy at all.
That's because nobody liked it yet. We need to do more. Maybe add a fountain. No, a dinosaur. Or a rocket ship. People love rocket ships, right?
But that's just it. I know it feels nice when people like what we do, but did you make this flower patch because other people like it? Or because you like it?
Well, I made it because I like it. I made it for myself.
So it doesn't matter what others think, does it? It matters what you think. And what do you think?
I liked it the way it was before.
Then how about I help you get it back? Just the way you want it.
Wait, where's our likes?
What do you mean, our likes? Those last few were my likes. Hey, watch me hop on one leg.
Anyone can hop on one leg. I can hop on no legs.
Looks like the trolls aren't quite so dazzling anymore.
And are now 32%. Less surprising.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! Something terribly interesting is happening.
No! I'm terribly interesting, too!
No way, I'm more interesting. Let me do the Gizmelon thing again. I'll do it better this time.
No, me! I need my likes!
Oh, just look at it. Do you like it, Alva?
What's important is that you like it, Uli Bean.
I love it. It's exactly the way I wanted it all along.
Uli Bean, your flower patch looks uli-tastic.
Indeed. It's the floweriest and patchiest flower patch I've seen since breakfast. Wonderful.
People do like your flower patch.
I'm glad, Alva, really I am. But I did it for myself. And now I wouldn't change it for all the likes in Gizmo. Thank you so much.
Well, we'll see you later. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Goodbye, Alva. Goodbye, Mo.
Did our photo get any more likes?
We didn't take the photos for likes, Nessa. We took them for us.
That's right. And we only shared it with friends and family. We're not exactly Trudy Stormbeamer.
Mom, it's Lucy Stardreamer.
This is the best photo of us ever.
Wait, you posted that one? But we look...
We look very funny and very happy.
And that's all that matters, Alva. I wouldn't change it.
Come on, Mayor Garth, help us.
Oh, yes.
Funny face. I love it. Robot dance. Help us, Blobbos.
I can't keep up!
There's just too much positivity.
Bright light!
Oh, I can't see where I'm going.
Do you ever wonder if we should try saying nice things to each other? Those ooly-foolies always seem to get on better than us.
There's ordinary, and then there's you.
What?
It's a compliment. It means no one is quite like you.
Wow, that's terrible. Rotten, even.
Fine. How about I like your elbows?
What? That's even worse.
Maybe with a bit of practice, they'll master how to give compliments.